Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. According to the sources, the power of the Oromia Liberation Army is on a high level. News are reported that many soldiers are being attacked by the military and they are fighting. There is no message about the rights of Ethiopia and it is not yet reached. Viewers, shocking for Ethiopian National Defense Force military commanders of Oromo ethnicity executed today in Dessie by murderers Fanu. Commander Ahmed Abraham, Commander Girma Faisa, Colonel Habtamu Magersa, Colonel Adisa Adugna. Commanders of Abiy Ahmed has been killed by Fanu because of their identity. Viewers, the information that is coming out of all fronts is shocking. It has been decided that Oromo-born military leaders and soldiers should hand over their weapons under the cover of saying they are traitors. And some of them are killed. Action is being taken on the Jim Jima. They are the Oromo people in Dessie city, where Abiy Ahmed was found. We have come to know their weapons are being handed over to a band of bandits called Fanu. It is being widely reported that there is a coup on the front. So far, we have known that 4 generals have been killed. It has been said that other ordinary Oromo-born soldiers were being killed with a plate saying, "We found them when they are fleeing and their weapons are being attacked by Amhara-born." On the other side, the Amhara Special Forces are capturing members of the Ethiopian army after they refuse to go to confront the Tigrayan forces. Skilled forces and militias want the Ethiopian army, which is made up of the tribes of southern Ethiopia, and the Oromo militia to be in front of the cannon while they are in the last rows to protect their lives. Viewers, Dessie update. Fanu organized a protest in the city. Women, children and elderly have left men Ethiopian National Defense Force prevented by Amhara Special Forces from leaving. Men are being armed with matches, Tigrayans being attacked for being spies and passing info. And viewers, Amhara militia members arresting Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers in Dessie after a heavy exchange of fire between the two sets. Confirmed casualties on both sides. Heavy mistrust between these forces. So viewers, let's watch this video. كلهم ولا أنا لهم صالح يوم وهي